Hello, welcome to my workshop. I usually cut my stocks by hand, which is not convenient for all the times. So I started thinking it is time to have a bandsaw to cut off and shape my stock materials. The first thing came to my mind is buying a proxxon bandsaw. I was very close to buy it. Then I thought it is very expensive as all proxxon brand stuff. And currently I'm having some problem with proxxon service. I told myself, why not trying to build one? So I give up buying one, at least until failure of this project. I decided to build a micro bandsaw capable of cutting many materials, even steel. In this project, one of the important components is the bandsaw blade. After a little bit search on internet, I decided to go with proxxon bimetal bandsaw for metal cutting, even for stainless steel. I bought it online. The length of the blade is 1065 mm. The second thing is the frame. I thought to make it with construction steel, but then decided to go with aluminum extrusion profiles. I prefer aluminum because I want my bandsaw to be lightweight and also easy of installation. Also want to try how rigid is aluminum extrusion for next projects. The third thing I need is the wheels. I made another search online to find what size of wheels I need to use with proxxon bandsaw blade. Well, I couldn't find exact diameters in any manual, but found an average diameter in a video. It's around 150 millimeters, I guess. So I need to find two wheels in this diameter. I can't make wheels with my lathe because of maximum diameter I can turn is 65 millimeter. I tried to buy wheels online but couldn't find a seller who sells wheels for a bandsaw on this dimension. I was desperate to continue, but suddenly another idea is come to my mind. I might use my old hoverboard wheels as they look very small. I need to measure them, but if I can find wherever they are. After some search at my house, I found them where my wife cover and hide it as many of my stuff around the home. I made the measurement and found that they are almost 165 mm in diameter. After seeing the wheels, I said myself, hey, 1 minute, the wheels itself are very powerful motors, why not using them also for powering the machine? Also wheels already covered with rubber tires, which is required for traction of the saw blade and low noise. Tires worn to almost flat, that's also another good thing for the blades to sit. I'm going to use its electronic for controlling the motors. Hoverboard is motion controlled. I'm going to use this function as speed controller. I hope everything will go as planned. Two motor will give me 300 watt output power even in very low speeds. Better than proxxon 80 watt bandsaw. We will see. I will use aluminum extrusion profiles to make this machine lightweight. I found a seller locally. They also cut the extrusion profiles according to my dimensions. Construction will look like this after finishing. I am starting with drilling the profiles for assembly. I'm preparing a slot for repeatable drilling with parallel set. A terrible mistake happened. Now a dent on my table. I should put something under while making setup. I'm aligning the drill bit. I'm drilling pilot holes. After finishing drilling pilot holes with a confident, I put my 6mm drill bit to finish the drilling operations. But the thing is not going as I want. Directly drilling 6mm is too much for this small machine. This 6mm hole is required to tightening the screw to its position with Allen key. Here I'm showing how will it connect to other profile. After drilling, it's very convenient and easy to make construction with these profiles. I should drill the holes to its final size by using different drill bits smaller to bigger. These holes will allow me to use Allen key for tightening. I'm tapping corresponding holes with M6 tap. I'm starting assembling of the profiles after finishing all drilling and tapping operations. Finished aluminum construction is very rigid. I didn't expect that much rigidity. I will add some legs in the future and will stand like this. Now I'm removing one of the wheels from hoverboard. I just want to see how will it look like in real life. After removing the motor, I made a 3D design to attach motor shaft to profile as this. Then I print it. I'm inserting the shaft through 3D printed holder. I was print this part as temporary due to worrying about it might broken during operation, but now it looked like really solid. I might continue using this part. I'm trying to visualize how the finished product will look like. I will make a tensioning mechanism for the second wheel on the next video. For now, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.